A very good morning. Let's take you through details of the controversy that has broken out over the comment made by Congress leader Digvijay Singh on children studying in RSS schools. The NCPCR has now issued a notice to the Congress leader and has sought an explanation for the same. As per the notice issued by the NCPCR, which quotes several complaints from children, Digvijay Singh had allegedly said that students studying in Saraswati Shishu Mandir are taught hatred and then they indulge in violent activities. Listen to what Digvijay Singh said and how the RSS has in fact hit back.
जो बचपन से सरस्वती शिशु मंदिर से लोगों के दिल और दिमाग में दूसरे धर्मों के खिलाफ नफरत का बीज बोया और वही नफरत का बीज धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़कर देश में सांप्रदायिक सद्भाव को बिगाड़ता है, सांप्रदायिक कटुता पैदा करता है, धार्मिक उन्माद फैलाता है और देश में दंगे फसाद होते हैं।
दिग्विजय सिंह पॉलिटिकल चुटकुला माने जाते हैं। उनको कोई ना गंभीरता से ले रहा है ना लेगा। कांग्रेस हर बार उनके वक्तव्य पर यही कहती है कि कांग्रेस का उनसे वक्तव्य का कोई लेना देना नहीं है। बार बार कांग्रेस से वो रिजेक्टेड होते हैं, फिर भी कांग्रेस उनको इसलिए रखती है क्योंकि कांग्रेस के अंदर एक बहुत बड़ा एलिमेंट हो गया है जो एंटी हिंदुस्तान है और प्रो पाकिस्तान है। पंजाब कांग्रेस के अंदर भी यही दिखता है, हिमाचल के हरीश रावत, दिग्विजय सिंह भी यही लगता है। कभी कभी कांग्रेस की लीडरशिप भी इसी तरह के बयान देती है। इसलिए जो जनता से रिजेक्टेड हो गई है वो इसी प्रकार की एक धर्म वाली और संप्रदाय वाली और नफरतवादी और बांटने वाली राजनीति करते हैं। दिग्विजय उसी का एक नमूना है।
And the NCPCR chairperson, Mr. Priyank Kanungu, is joining us on the phone line. Mr. Kanungu, now, as per the NCPCR notice, the Congress leader's statement has not only hurt the dignity and sentiments of students studying in the Saraswati Shishu Mandir, but also the statement is in violation of several sections of IPC and the Juvenile Justice Act. According to you, sir, what is it that you've picked up so far? You know, the instances that have been narrated by the students as per you, and how much time has been given to Digvijay Singh to come up with a response?
We have asked Digvijay Singh ji to respond in 3 days' time. If we have any fact about his statement, so he can submit to the commission in 3 days' time. And we have given a 7 days' time bracket to the DGP of Madhya Pradesh to complete the investigation, lodge an FIR, and submit a report to NCPCR.
All right, Mr. Kanungu, I believe you have also requested that that a week's time has been given by you to the DGP Madhya Pradesh as well to investigate the matter and submit a report?
Yeah. Prima facie, it seems that children have been targeted and children in their complaint, children return that they have been discriminated by their fellow students, by their fellow neighbors, by their friends, and people are now discriminating them and calling them dangai. So it's not good for children. It will be a bad impact on their upbringing and their development process also. So we have asked DGP Madhya Pradesh to lodge an FIR under relevant section of IPC. Prima facie, it seems a violation of principles of Juvenile Justice Act also.
And Mr. Priyank, what kind of implications could this have? I mean, you have a senior Congress leader there who just a few days back was drawing a comparison between the RSS and the Taliban, and now going ahead in public domain making these kind of statements on students who are studying in RSS schools, and that too, during a public meeting. So what kind of implications could this really have?
देखिए, आउटराइटली शिशु मंदिरों में पढ़ने वाले सारे बच्चों को अगर कोई ये कहेगा कि वो सब दंगाई है, तो ये सार्वभौमिक स्टेटमेंट देना अपने आप में बहुत गलत है, एक अपराध की श्रेणी में आता है, क्योंकि इसके लॉन्ग टर्म में बहुत बुरे असर बच्चों पर होंगे। हमको सैकड़ों बच्चों ने ईमेल्स भेजी हैं कल से, और as per their emails, as per their complaints, they have been, some of them are traumatized. और बच्चों को आप टैग नहीं कर सकते इस तरीके से, ये देश के कानून के खिलाफ है। आप किसी बच्चे को दंगाई कैसे बोल सकती हैं? ये तो एकदम से गलत बात है, कानून के खिलाफ बात है। तो पुलिस को इस पर कार्रवाई करनी ही चाहिए।
जी, thank you, Mr. Priyank, for speaking to us. You've given 3 days' time to the senior Congress leader. Let's see what the response looks like in the coming few days. For the moment, appreciate you speaking to us.